Top 5 Luxury Hotels in the World. Luxury is defined as the state of great comfort and extravagant living. It comes in all shapes and sizes and can be experienced all over the planet, especially in hotels. Whether you're dreaming of traveling to a once-in-a-lifetime location, looking for inspiration for a special event, searching for examples of luxurious changes you can make to your own hotel, or anything in between, we've got you covered. In this video, we are going to tell you top 5 luxury hotels in the world. If you want to see more amazing things like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel now. Enjoy the video. Number 5. The Plaza, New York City. Since its debut in 1907, the Plaza has remained a New York icon, hosting world leaders, dignitaries, captains of industry, Broadway legends, and Hollywood royalty. But it's much more than simply an historic property. The Plaza offers one-of-a-kind rooms and suites, which go above and beyond to give guests a unique and luxurious experience. Take the Tower Room, for example, which features a dramatic 23-foot exposed brick turret ceiling, or the Fitzgerald Suite King, which was designed by Oscar-winning designer Catherine Martin as a tribute to the jazz age and F. Scott Fitzgerald. And of course, how could we forget the hotel's many dining options, highlighted by the Rose Club? Complete with plush lounge seating and an array of signature cocktails, this legendary space is luxury at its finest. Number 4. The Ritz-Carlton Wolfsburg, Germany. If your visions of luxury don't normally include views of a car manufacturing plant, you're in for a delightful surprise. Set within the Volkswagen Autostadt theme park, the 5-star Ritz-Carlton Wolfsburg is surrounded by automotive, architectural, design, art, and culinary innovation. Floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the Autostadt or historic Volkswagen plant are juxtaposed with minimalist, contemporary decor in rooms and suites. The 2-bedroom black and white suite is the belle of the ball, with a relaxing steam shower, separate soaking tub, living room fireplace, and pool table. Additional hotel amenities and features include a 3-star Michelin restaurant, Aqua, with modern European cuisine, a floating outdoor swimming pool in the harbor basin, and a spa focused on organic treatments and products. Number 3. Kamalaya Koh Samui, Thailand. Luxury doesn't always mean opulent furnishings and indulgent decor. At Kamalaya Retreat, wellness is inextricably linked with luxury. Guests are greeted with signature mocktails for a one-on-one consultation on arrival, where they can design their perfect wellness experience. Guest days are filled with an effortless blend of expert-led exercise classes, specialized spa treatments, and 5-star healthy cuisine for their entire stay. The setting for Kamalaya couldn't be more perfect. The complex rests on a large hill overlooking a white sand beach with a calm lagoon, and all the buildings blend in seamlessly with the surrounding jungle. Guests can find quiet hidden gems throughout, including a cave for contemplation, swings that extend over the water, and suites with private plunge pools. Guests rave about the once-in-a-lifetime experience and speak fondly of their dreams for returning. And we can't blame them. Number 2. The Palms, Las Vegas. While there are many luxury properties to choose from on the Las Vegas Strip, the Palms is known for its iconic high-rolling atmosphere. The penthouse suites at the Palms have been home to some of the most high-profile parties Las Vegas has ever seen, and are designed with entertaining in mind. With penthouses, villas, and themed suites, the property has luxury and style to suit every taste. Take the 2-story Sky Villa, for example. About as luxurious and unique as a hotel room can get, this 8,500-square-foot oasis features a 17-seat bar, fitness center, massage room, game area, private pool overlooking the lights of Vegas, and much more. Then there's the themed Hardwood Suite, which is dubbed a 10,000-square-foot arena featuring a private basketball court, professional locker room, pool table, whiskey room, and 11 televisions. And that's only the beginning. Number 1. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. The Burj Al Arab has often been described as the world's first 7-star hotel, or the most luxurious hotel in the world, since opening its doors in 1999. And while the brand doesn't describe itself this way, it's easy to see why others do. Built on an artificial island off the coast of Dubai's white sandy beaches, The Burj Al Arab is an all-suite hotel with 28 double stories and 202 luxury duplexes ranging from 1,830 to 8,396 square feet. Each suite offers a range of unique first-class flourishes, including an extensive selection of complimentary Hermes toiletries, a pillow menu with 17 options, and a bath menu, along with a butler available to explain the different options. With 6 high-end restaurants, a rooftop helipad, a Rolls-Royce shuttle service from the airport, and walls decked in 24-karat gold leaf, the hotel relies on opulence to satisfy even the most travel-worn guests. The design and architecture of the hotel are as unique as it can get, with its dome shape noticeable from miles and miles away. And if all of that isn't enough luxury, there's always the 24-karat gold iPads that guests receive upon arrival, which are programmed to include access to all guest services and hotel information. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video with another information